As y'all know, if you've watched me on my little greenhouse journey, so if you go back, it came in 3 boxes. Just to recap, it came in 3 ginormous boxes. Like, I probably should measure them. I'll measure it later. So that's one of the empty boxes I just laid over there. That was the heaviest one. I could not lift it by myself. A big truck came, dropped them off, set it in front of my barn, and I couldn't lift it, so I just unloaded it. So I'm gonna go ahead and stack this. I had to clean out this section really quick. I'm just gonna line everything up over here for tonight. We'll see how much I get done. Again, this is nothing. I can get it done this weekend. Ideally, I can get it done in a month from now. Either way, I need these steps done. Speaking of that, no, I might get, even if I don't get it set up, I bet I could assemble 2 of the walls. I think that's my goal this weekend. Get my foundation ready, assemble 2 of the walls. I think I can get that done. And then because I still have to park my mini snowplow, a little quad in here. So I'm just gonna stack things against this wall for now, because all these boxes are in my way. So anyway, this is just more for like the reality, because every video I watched, even though they were helpful, they did skip through a lot of the parts. Like, I didn't know how big these boxes were, and I don't think I could have gotten in the back of my pickup. I think giving you a trailer, honestly. And again, I'll measure them, unless you really tied them down, or you had, you know, whatever the rules are, if it hangs over the end of your tail bed. So that's just something I think good to know. If you're wanting to get one of these greenhouses, I did order online from Costco. I got the 8x10, which is technically, it's actually 8x9.7. And it does say that was one common complaint in several of the videos, is I think people made like kind of a foundation, like a slab first, and I guess the dimensions maybe are a little off. So I'll find out for sure for you guys and just let you know, is that just exactly to the edge? Is it the inside? Yeah, you know how it is with like plans and stuff. So it does come with some instructions, and every single person, men included, say read the instructions and follow the instructions, because apparently you have to do things in a certain order. There was just a couple videos I saw where I guess the little roof rafters, I know, but I don't really know the technical terms. Okay, the angled roof boards, where they meet the walls, some of them, they had like a 1/4 inch, they didn't sit flush, which I guess they really needed to sit flush. So that's something that was nice for me to be aware, so that when I get to that part, because you screw in a crossbar. I know, I didn't ever say I was like, I'm not an expert in building, clearly I'm not, but I can assemble things. And again, this is like, it says you can assemble it. I probably didn't say 2 people, which I say, I get my son, I have people who can help me if I need it, but only if it's too heavy that I can't carry it down to my garden. Then I will ask someone for help for that. Anyway, let me just start stacking the boards. I didn't really think this part through, and I have not seen where these numbers are. There are numbers apparently somewhere. So on the end, okay, 1535, do you see that? Okay, which that's gonna be a little bit of a pain trying to find the numbers. I guess I'll just have to angle it down. Just trying to, sorry, this is gonna be a tedious part. I bet it's the, yeah, they give you caulking for the windows. So I'm gonna put this in a more warm area of my barn. You have the automatic window openers, which I bet those are these. There is some strips of some kind. Hopefully those are for the windows. Oh yeah, here's your tapes. Yep, and then all your hardware. Oh, and then for your door. So yeah, so this box is just all the hardware. But I'm gonna put the tape and all the caulking where it's heated, because it's probably gonna get down. This probably does it better. So I'm just gonna take these and put them in a warm spot.